Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox up with the error code 0xc0EA0001 in Windows 10 computer. So the Xbox app with the error code 0xc0EA0001 on Windows generally indicates a problem with the app's ability to communicate with Microsoft services. This can prevent you from launching games, especially those Xbox Game Pass, or accessing a certain app features. And the main causes include service outages, account sensing problems, time and date discrepancies, corrupted app data, and interference from other software. And then I'll show you possible solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to sync your system time and date. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar. Then you can see here this date and time. So all you have to do is to right click, and then you need now to select this adjust date and time and then click. And then once you open up here at date and time settings, and then on right side underneath here at date and time, so make sure set time automatically or set time zone automatically are both enabled. So you need to enable this set time automatically, same with set time zone automatically, and then after enabled, then you need now to tap or click this sync now. So underneath here at synchronize your clock, and then you need to click this sync now, and we will wait to complete the process. And then after that, then you can see now this check mark here, then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu, and then here you need to tap this command keyword WS reset. And then next step, then you need to click or tap this open, and then wait to open command from window followed by the Microsoft Store app opening. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. And that's why we will do this command keyword to make the Microsoft Store back to default settings and to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at Microsoft Store, then we need to close again if the error is still persists. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair or reset the Xbox app. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open this Windows settings. And then once you open up here at Windows settings, then you need now to select this system tab and then click. And then once you open up here at system settings, and then here now at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to select the system components and then click. And then on right side, then here at right corner, then underneath here at related settings, then you need to click or tap this apps and features and then click. And then once you open up here at apps and features, then here at apps and features searching address bar, then you need to type Xbox. And then you can see now that we have two apps found with Xbox. So all you have to do is to repair or reset this two apps Xbox. So all you have to do is to tap this Xbox console companion. So all you have to do is to click. And the next step, then you need now to tap or click this advanced option. And then once you open up here at Xbox console companion here at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to scroll down. And then here at reset, then you need to tap this reset, and then pop up this notifications. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So all you have to do is to click or tap this reset and wait to complete the reset process. And then after that, then we need to close. Then we need to restart this PC by clicking this power button here and click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.